Hello and welcome. Join me as we journey into the world's great deserts, places often dismissed as barren but alive with hidden wonders. From the blazing Sahara to the icy Gobi, we'll uncover stories of survival and adaptation. Nature's ingenuity is on full display here, where life not only endures but thrives against the odds. Let's set out together as the sun rises over the dunes and the first stories of resilience await. Our adventure into the arid heart of our world begins now. We begin our journey in the Sahara, the world's largest hot desert, an endless sea of sand and rock that stretches beyond the horizon. This vast expanse covers over 9 million square kilometers, shaping the lives of all who dwell here. Despite the searing heat, relentless sun and rare rainfall, life persists in remarkable ways. Every plant and animal here has evolved to survive the harshest of conditions, clinging to existence where others could not. As dusk falls and the temperature drops, the elusive fennec fox emerges from its burrow. Its oversized ears not only radiate heat, but also allow it to detect the faintest sounds of prey moving beneath the sand. Camouflaged and agile, the fennec fox is a master of the Saharan night, perfectly adapted to its environment. Humans too have learned to thrive in this unforgiving landscape. The Tuareg nomads navigate by the stars, their survival intricately tied to the dromedary camel. For centuries, they have crossed these shifting sands, guided by ancient knowledge passed down through generations. Camels, with their fat-storing humps, can travel for weeks without water, providing both transport and sustenance. Their unique adaptations make them the perfect companions for desert life. This partnership between human and camel is a testament to endurance and ingenuity, a bond forged by necessity and mutual reliance. In the Sahara, every adaptation, whether animal, plant or human, is a story of survival written in the sand and wind. Here, life is a delicate balance played out beneath the vast starlit sky, where silence and beauty coexist in equal measure. The desert's secrets are revealed only to those who look closer, uncovering the hidden wonders that make the Sahara truly extraordinary. Eastward to the Arabian desert, where the horizon shimmers with heat and the land stretches endlessly beneath a blazing sky. Here, heat and sun are not just features, they are the very forces that shape every moment of existence, dictating the rhythm of life. The Arabian oryx, once nearly extinct, survives thanks to its pale coat that reflects sunlight and its uncanny ability to sense distant rainstorms, guiding it to water across vast distances. Its remarkable return to the wild stands as a powerful symbol of conservation success and hope for endangered species everywhere. Smaller creatures like the nimble desert lizard have their own ingenious tricks, dancing rapidly on scorching sand to avoid burns and burrowing deep beneath the surface to escape the midday blaze where the sand is cool and safe. Life here is largely nocturnal, emerging only when the sun finally relents and the desert cools under a velvet sky. The desert's ever-shifting dunes, sculpted by relentless winds, mean constant change and challenge for all who call this place home. Adaptability is key. Survival depends on perfect timing, swift movement, and the ability to read the land. The Arabian desert is a living testament to resilience, where every creature is a master of endurance. From the graceful antelope to the smallest lizard, each is shaped by the relentless sun and the ever-shifting sands. Here, the landscape itself is alive, always in motion, whispering stories of survival and adaptation. In this natural furnace, only the most ingenious and resilient endure, forging new ways to thrive. The story of survival is written in every grain of sand, a testament to life's determination in the harshest of places. Now to the Gobi, a cold desert of extremes, where the land stretches endlessly beneath a vast open sky. Here, the horizon blurs between earth and air, and the silence is broken only by the wind. Winter brings biting winds and sub-zero temperatures that sweep across the plains. In summer, the sun scorches the ground, turning sand and stone into a furnace. The Gobi is a place of dramatic contrasts, where survival is a daily challenge. The wild Bactrian camel, critically endangered and uniquely adapted, survives by drinking salty slush and storing precious energy in its two humps. These remarkable animals can go for days without water, enduring conditions that would defeat most creatures. The elusive snow leopard, ghost of the mountains, stalks prey across rocky outcrops. Its thick coat and wide paws are perfect for the cold, allowing it to move silently and blend seamlessly into the rugged landscape. Every hunt is a test of patience and skill, a delicate balance between hunger and hope, where a single misstep can mean going hungry for days. The Gobi's landscape is a geological archive. At the flaming cliffs, ancient fossils reveal a lush, prehistoric past. Once dinosaurs roamed here, and their bones now tell stories of a world transformed by time. Here, survival is a blend of adaptation and ancient wisdom, passed down through generations of both animals and people who call this desert home. The desert's secrets are etched in stone and sand, waiting to be uncovered by those who look closely and listen to the whispers of the wind. Life in the Gobi is rare but fiercely tenacious. Every plant, every animal is a testament to the power of endurance and the will to survive. Even in the harshest places, nature finds a way, carving out moments of beauty and resilience against all odds. The Gobi reminds us that deserts are shaped by both time and resilience, and that even in the most unforgiving environments, life endures, and the story of the earth continues to unfold. South to the Kalahari, a semi-arid savanna known as the Thirstland. Rain is unpredictable, but life flourishes in surprising ways. Meerkats thrive through teamwork. One stands guard while others forage, their calls warning of danger. The gemsbok, a striking antelope, survives without drinking, drawing moisture from roots and melons. Its nasal blood vessels cool its brain, a vital adaptation. The Sand People, master trackers, read the land for water and game, their knowledge passed down for millennia. Here, cooperation among animals and people is the key to survival. The Kalahari is a living lesson in adaptation and community. In this thirstland, every life is a story of ingenuity. Across the Atlantic, the Patagonian desert stretches beneath endless sky, shaped by relentless wind. The guanaco, wild cousin of the llama, grazes in herds, its thick coat and keen senses perfect for the cold steppe. The peachy armadillo survives winter by hibernating underground, shielded by its bony shell. Plants hug the ground, resisting wind and conserving water. Life here is defined by endurance, against dryness, cold, and the ever-present wind. The guanaco's grazing shapes the land, while predators like the puma keep balance. Patagonia is a realm of open spaces and quiet resilience. Here, survival is a dance with the wind. In Australia's Great Victoria Desert, isolation has bred unique life. The red kangaroo bounds across the sands, conserving energy and pausing pregnancies until conditions improve. The parentia, a giant monitor lizard, hunts with a flickering tongue, while the thorny devil collects water through its spiky skin. Aboriginal Australians have thrived here for over 50,000 years, their knowledge of the land profound and spiritual. They read the desert for food, water, and animal signs, embodying a deep connection to place. Marsupials and reptiles alike have evolved ingenious ways to survive. The desert's ancient rhythms echo in every adaptation. This is a land where tradition and nature intertwine. The Great Victoria is a testament to endurance and wisdom. Here, survival is both art and heritage. The Syrian desert, or Badia, is a crossroads of history and survival. Dromedary camels traverse rocky plains, their endurance unmatched. The desert fox hunts by night, its large ears tuned to the silence. Life clusters around wadis, dry riverbeds that burst into green after rare rains, sparking brief explosions of life. Ancient cities like Palmyra rose here, built on trade and ingenious water management. The desert's harshness has shaped both nature and civilization. Every oasis is a story of adaptation and ingenuity. The Badia is a reminder, deserts are not barriers but bridges between worlds. Here, survival and culture are forever linked. In North America's Great Basin desert, sagebrush dominates, a foundation for hundreds of species. The pronghorn, swiftest in the west, relies on speed and keen vision to evade predators. Its migrations span vast distances, following ancient corridors, now threatened by development. Hidden waters, saline lakes like Utah's Great Salt Lake, support brine shrimp and millions of migratory birds. The desert's life is subtle but vital, woven through plant, animal, and water. Here, survival is about movement and adaptation. The Sagebrush Sea is a world of quiet connections. Even in dryness, life finds a way to flourish. The Chihuahuan Desert, straddling the US and Mexico, is the most diverse in the West. Agaves and yuccas store water for years, then bloom spectacularly before dying. The roadrunner dashes across the sand, a ground-dwelling predator of lizards and insects. Yucca moths and yuccas depend on each other for survival, a delicate, ancient partnership. Bats emerge at dusk, devouring insects and pollinating cacti. Every night, the desert comes alive with hidden activity. Here, diversity is the key to resilience. The Chihuahuan is a crossroads where life's ingenuity is on full display. In this desert, every adaptation is a marvel. In the Sonoran Desert, the saguaro cactus towers like a natural cathedral. Its arms shelter birds, bats, and insects, while its fruit feeds coyotes and javelinas. Woodpeckers carve nests in its trunk, later used by elf owls and flycatchers. The Gila monster, a rare venomous lizard, prowls the desert floor. Its colors are warning. Rainfall here is split between seasons, creating bursts of life and color. The Sonoran is a web of connections, every plant and animal interlinked. This desert is defined by abundance, not absence. Adaptation here is both art and necessity. The Sonoran is a fitting finale, a celebration of survival and beauty. Our journey through the world's deserts ends, but the stories of resilience remain. From the fennec fox to the saguaro, we've seen life's ingenuity in every harsh corner. These landscapes, far from empty, are filled with masterpieces of adaptation. If you've been inspired, subscribe and join our community of explorers. The spirit of survival and wonder is everywhere. Keep seeking, keep learning. Thank you for traveling with us across the arid heart of our planet.